What's up, guys? It's the one and only African superstar back at it again. Today I'm going to do a survey a week after the storm. It has been actually a week and a day after our big windstorm last week, and I'm on my way to the gym. I'm going to survey and see what has been updated and what has not been updated. As it stands, I still don't have high-speed internet. If you guys are wondering why I have not been continuing with our proximity series, that's why, because I need the high-speed internet to be able to stream. We've been having a lot of in and out with the power this week. We are moving into the rainy season, so we have had quite a few minor showers since that incident. But today we're going to check around the neighborhood to see what has been updated since last week. Okay, this was the first thing that I captured, this junction where there was a huge tree blocking the road. We see that has now been cleared. Also, I showed this tree which was branching over the power lines. This has also been cut. The trees along the side are still down. Good morning, guys. It's the one and only African superstar. We had yet another torrential downpour yesterday, and as you can see, another tree is on the cable. So that means I'm without power yet again. There's quite a lot of aftermath. Also, there was a signboard that had been blown. You can see that has been removed here. So this is good in words of proactiveness, because that big tree was going to definitely cause damage if it went down on these lines. So I turned the corner only to see that this tree here is bent over yet again on the lines. This pole is still on the lean, gangster lean. Looks like part of the fence has been repaired. You can see it was kind of makeshift put back up. It's quite beaten and mangled from the storm. So this is a lightweight aluminum type of fence, but you can still see at this part it's still down. So I assume they're still working on getting it put back together. And you know, the crazy thing was, as I continue to be around the neighborhood, I continue to see more and more damage from that storm that I didn't capture on the video, such as there is a furniture shop opposite one of the junctions, and apparently the wind blew out the glass windows. So I noticed that the furniture had been pushed away. You know, it was a showroom, and suddenly all the furniture is away from the windows, and it looks like it's taking them a few days to get it fixed. Now the next part is down at the junction. It's quite a bit away from here, but it's also the house that their aluminum fence was down, so it looks like they have also repaired that too. On the top of this house, the roof was folded back, and this fence was completely blown and destroyed. I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I didn't see a funnel, but the damages is very serious. Wow. So this entire fence collapsed. So they've also repaired this aluminum fence that was totally blown down last week. So it looks like throughout the neighborhood, people are picking up the pieces and trying yet again. We're going to get to the junction and check out that billboard that was totally mangled and see what the status is. This house here also suffered another fence blowing down, similar gate to the one we passed, and we carry on. Okay, so we've got to the junction. This billboard has not been sorted out. But it looks like that's the only thing out of the original video that did not get sorted out so far. So yes, this is the vlog a week after the storm. So you can just see how progress is being made.